In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own app without code in Adalo. We'll start right from the Adalo dashboard and move through setup, design choices, and the essentials you need to see your app take shape quickly. First, look to the top bar of your Adalo workspace and click the app name area. This opens the menu you'll use to start fresh. From there, select Create New App. Adalo will immediately ask where you want users to access your app. This choice sets the foundation for screen sizes and layouts. You'll see two main options. One is mobile, tablet, and desktop, which is best if you want a single project that adapts across devices. The other is mobile only, ideal if your audience is primarily on phones and you want to focus on speed and simplicity. For now, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop so you can design responsively from the start, then click Next. Next, you'll land on the template screen. Templates give you a head start with pre-built screens, navigation, and sample data. Browse through and pick a layout that matches your app's purpose, like lists, marketplaces, or bookings. You can change or customize everything later, so don't overthink it. Click the template you want, then hit Next. Now, give your app a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize in your workspace and later in app stores if you decide to publish. After that, set your primary and secondary colors. The primary color drives buttons and highlights. The secondary complements it for subtle accents. For best results, choose high contrast colors that meet accessibility standards so text remains readable. When you're happy with your selections, click Create. Adalo will generate your app and open the editor. On the left side, open the Components panel. Components are the building blocks of your app: buttons, lists, forms, images, and more. Within Components, go to Sections. Sections help you find organized groups of parts tailored to specific use cases. Then open Features. This is where you'll explore ready-made feature blocks you can drag directly onto your screens to add functionality fast. As you add components from the Features section, drop them onto your canvas and adjust their settings in the right-hand panel. You can tweak text, icons, actions, and data connections as needed. Remember, you're not writing code here, just arranging and configuring. Use the preview to see how your app looks on mobile, tablet, and desktop, and refine spacing and style to fit each device. That's it. Your no-code app is up and running in Adalo with a strong foundation and the tools to keep building confidently.